Good morning mga ka-Wonder Wonder Wilma! Another day here in Taipei, Taiwan for today's ganap. I am going to have a tour for today. No? Nabook natin yung tour from Klook, which is ang mga pupuntahan, ang Yellow Geo Park, Geofen, Shifen, and Golden Waterfall. So, yaan. Samahan nyo ako. Papakita ko sa inyo itong mga places na pupuntahan natin. Okay? Bye! Hi guys, good morning again. Currently, I am here at the buffet area. Yung aking accommodation ay merong